All right, Steve. This is Kansas City weekly chart wheat chart. Sorry, I'm babbling here. I just lost a channel formation. Anyway, I'm going to give you a kind of a rough idea of what we've got going here. We're definitely in what I call consolidative trade through August. You've got a high of a low. We had the spike low that was a key reversal low. That was in May, the week of May 13. And so that is held actually last week. It's at 425 half, which I have here. Holding above 425 half, this market can continue sideways and even trade up into either one of these 2 points over the coming weeks and months. Um, Primarily 479 and three quarter this week, drops to 477 and a quarter next week, and the following week it's at 475 even. So you could just call it the mid to upper 470s really into later August. That is your ceiling. And inside the 425 half to 479 and three quarter area, it's really a two-sided dynamic. Even if we closed above 479 and three quarter, say this week, and that's not going to happen, but if so, then 507 even is really the big level. That is a descending two-thirds speed line that can actually absorb buying through the balance of the year, and it actually becomes a 1, 2, 3 week target. If we closed above 479 and three quarter on Friday, 507 even, dropping ever so gradually, 505 and a quarter next week, 503 half the following week. Just call it the low $5 area is our ceiling really through the balance of the year, and this is a continuation chart. So when September goes off the boards, and then you've got December to follow through, it will be reflected on this chart as well. Let me take a look at those price levels to see if there's any. Yeah, December's higher by almost 20 cents, so they're going to be roughly in the same ballpark. If we can close above 507 even in the coming months, then this market is likely to test the mid 590s within 3 to 5 months of that. So, but right now, big pivot point through the balance of the year at 507 even, and it's almost not worth talking about because we are so far away from it right now. So to re-clarify, a two-sided dynamic through August between 425 half support and 470s resistance. If we close to this week, Friday, below 425 half, the market's indicated a good summer high. This low settlement price from early May at 385 and a quarter would then be expected. You've got an old low at here at 395, so I'll just put that here. 385 and a quarter is the low settlement price. I'll leave the video with that. That would be the what 3 to 5 week, maybe a 5 to 8 week objective, depending on volatility. Following a settlement this week below 425 half, that 385 and a quarter area, 395 even, can absorb selling into autumn trade, possibly through the balance of the year. And that's really all that needs to be said for. Bear with me, just opened up the wrong window here. I've got to learn how to